You don't have to be a chef to cook perfect filet mignon. All you have to do is listen to me. Let's get cooking. I think the filet mignon is the perfect vessel to take on the best flavorful crust. And to do that, the first step is to season it liberally with salt and pepper. You want to choose a good coarse kosher salt. I just go ahead and season this top side, and then when it goes in the pan, I'll season the other side. While your pan is getting hot, heat up some oil. I'm doing about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When that is kind of shimmering, we're gonna add in our steaks. Put your seasoned side down first and let it go undisturbed. Do not touch it for about 3 minutes. That's gonna give you that nice golden brown crust. After about 2 to 3 minutes, season the other side with a good bit of salt and pepper and flip it over. I'm gonna go 2 more minutes on this side and then pop it in the oven, 425 degrees. I'll cook it anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes depending on how rare or cooked you like your steak. Warning, it will get a little smoky in there. Turn on your fan. When the steak is done, you want to remove it from the pan so it doesn't continue to cook. Set it on a plate and tint it with foil for about 10 minutes before you serve. And if you've got a really special occasion, go ahead and create a pan sauce with those juices. This could not be easier, minimal ingredients. I'm gonna add a little butter to the drippings. Do not get rid of those drippings. Let that melt and add in some baby portobello mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushroom you want. Keep that cooking on a high temperature on the stove and just stir it occasionally. You want those mushrooms to get nice and brown. Once you get them all coated in that flavorful fat, you want to kind of leave them alone for a minute because you want these mushrooms to take on some brown color. Get them all in a layer and just let them go. That next layer of flavor is good to go. Time to deglaze a little white wine. At this point, to finish it off, I'm adding in a little bit of Worcestershire, heavy cream, and a little squeeze of lemon. You can add more cracked pepper here, herbs, whatever you want. The easiest sauce ever. You cannot screw this up. I'm telling you, it's the perfect meal when you're looking for something a little bit special. I know you can do this. Now tag me if you have any questions. It is a good day at the office.